Have you ever wondered if the Earth holds secrets beyond imagination? What if I told you there are places on our planet so extraordinary, they seem to defy the laws of nature? Imagine a fiery pit that burns endlessly, towering columns that look like they're from another world, and islands that float on a lake like magic. These are not just myths, they are real, and they are waiting to be discovered. Today, we will explore some of the most unbelievable wonders of our planet. Prepare to be amazed. Number 1. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. Imagine a gaping pit in the middle of a desert that has been burning non-stop for over 40 years. This is the Door to Hell, or the Darvaza gas crater, located in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan. The crater measures about 60 meters in diameter and 20 meters deep, and it's been on fire since the early 1970s. The story behind this fiery pit begins with a mishap by Soviet geologists who were drilling in the area, searching for oil. Instead, they struck a massive natural gas pocket, causing the ground beneath their rig to collapse into a large crater. Fearing the release of toxic gases, they decided to ignite the gas, expecting it to burn out quickly. But their plan went awry. The gas reserve was much larger than anticipated, and the fire has been burning ever since. Today, the Door to Hell is one of the most extraordinary natural spectacles on Earth. The intense flames create a mesmerizing glow against the dark desert sky, making it a popular, if unconventional, tourist attraction. The crater's eerie beauty, combined with the harsh desert environment, makes it a surreal destination. Despite the harsh conditions, life persists. Extremophile microorganisms have adapted to survive in this blazing environment, showcasing the resilience of life, even in extreme circumstances. Number 2. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Picture a landscape where nature seems to have played with geometry. This is the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, a natural wonder that looks almost like a giant's playground. Stretching along the coast, it features around 40,000 interlocking basalt columns formed by a volcanic eruption millions of years ago. These columns are mostly hexagonal, though some are pentagonal or heptagonal, creating a mesmerizing pattern that extends into the sea. The creation of the Giant's Causeway is rooted in volcanic activity. Around 60 million years ago, lava from an ancient volcanic eruption cooled rapidly when it hit the ocean, cracking into these distinctive shapes. Over time, the sea has eroded the softer rock, leaving the harder basalt columns standing tall. Legend has it that the causeway was built by the Irish giant Finn McCool to reach Scotland and fight his rival, Benandonair. When Finn's wife disguised him as a baby, Benandonair fled, destroying the causeway in his wake. Today, the Giant's Causeway is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated not only for its natural beauty, but also for its rich folklore. Visitors can walk on these ancient stones, marveling at the incredible natural artistry and the myths that have shaped this iconic site. Number 3. Floating Islands of Lake Titicaca, Peru. Imagine floating islands drifting on the surface of a shimmering blue lake. This isn't a scene from a fantasy novel, but a reality at Lake Titicaca in Peru. As the highest navigable lake in the world, Lake Titicaca hosts a unique phenomenon: floating islands made by the Uros people, an indigenous community with a remarkable history. The Uros have lived on these islands for centuries, creating them from totora reeds that grow abundantly around the lake. They weave these reeds together into thick, buoyant mats, forming the base of their islands. These islands are not just floating platforms, but complete homes with schools and even watchtowers. The construction of these islands is an ongoing process. The reeds at the bottom rot over time due to water and weather conditions, so the Uros continuously add new layers to the top to maintain buoyancy. This careful maintenance reflects their deep connection with their environment and their resourcefulness. The floating islands are more than just a survival mechanism. They are a vibrant cultural hub. The Uros people use totora reeds for food, medicine, and even as building materials. The islands also serve as a living museum, showcasing traditional crafts and offering visitors a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged by modernity. Number 4. The Rainbow Mountains, China. Imagine mountains painted with every color of the rainbow. This is not a work of art, but a natural wonder found in China's Zhangye-Dangxia Landform Geological Park. Known as the Rainbow Mountains, these vibrant peaks are a striking example of nature's artistic prowess. The mountain's vivid colors result from millions of years of geological processes. layers of sandstone and other minerals were deposited over eons and later compressed into solid rock. Tectonic forces then lifted and tilted these layers, creating the stunning peaks and valleys we see today. The different minerals, such as iron and copper, give the mountains their bright reds, oranges, yellows, and greens. The Rainbow Mountains are a breathtaking sight, especially at sunrise and sunset, when the colors shift and sparkle in the changing light. This natural spectacle attracts thousands of visitors each year, all eager to witness this surreal landscape. In addition to their visual impact, the Rainbow Mountains hold cultural significance. Known as Danxia, these landscapes are celebrated in Chinese art and literature for their rugged beauty. Their striking appearance continues to inspire and captivate all who encounter them, offering a vivid reminder of the Earth's extraordinary natural beauty. Number 5. The Crystal Caves, Mexico. Our final stop takes us to the Crystal Caves of Chihuahua, Mexico. Discovered by miners in 2000, these caves, also known as the Giant Crystal Cave, feature some of the largest natural crystals ever found. These selenite crystals can grow up to 35 feet long and weigh several tons, creating a glittering, otherworldly landscape. The formation of these colossal crystals is a result of unique geological conditions. The caves are located nearly 1,000 feet underground, where intense heat and humidity create the perfect environment for crystal growth. The temperature in the caves can reach 136 degrees with 100% humidity, conditions that are too extreme for human life, but ideal for crystal formation. The crystals formed over thousands of years as mineral-rich water dripped into the caves, leaving behind these spectacular structures. Explorers and scientists don protective gear to study these formations, which provide valuable insights into our planet's geological history. The crystal caves are a hidden wonder, showcasing nature's ability to create beauty in the most unexpected places. As we've explored these unreal places, from the fiery door to hell in Turkmenistan to the mesmerizing crystal caves in Mexico, we've witnessed the stunning variety of natural and human-made wonders our planet has to offer. If you enjoyed this journey through the most unbelievable wonders of our planet, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Share your thoughts or favorite unreal places in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and stay tuned for more extraordinary explorations.